This is a Lexus car, and I'm changing a water pump. This water pump is having problem. Yeah, it's kind of making a jerking noise, the water pump. And so I had to replace this. Let me show you something. It's shaking. So for the very reason I had to replace it. So you can see that we have the new one over here. We have the new pump here. Watch closely that you won't see any shaking. Let me show you. You can see that this one is strong and rolling fine, but this is gone. So to replace, we have nut. We have nut 1, 2, 3. We have other one here, making it 4. We have this, the 5, 6, and we have 2 12mm bolts, stud bolts, on this side. So here is the 12mm bolt. This is the bolt. We call this the stud bolt. So usually we're gonna take this in, and for this we place another one here. So this is how it is. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So to get the fault of this water pump, first, sometimes you will usually feel dropping of water. It will be dropping water. Yeah, it will be dropping water. That is the first sign to know that you have a bad water pump. Then after that, the second sign to know is you will be hearing a kind of noise that you won't even know where it's coming from. To be something like click, 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 something related. So that's the first reason. And you can see that looking at this, we have a grinded surface. Watch this. You can see that the belt is grinding on this, causing the timing belt to cut always. Yeah, this usually causes the timing belt to cut always as a result of it shaking. So if your timing belt always cut also, try as much possible to check if your water pumps are okay. Then for overheating problem, if you start your car, you will feel that if you feel something like the water is not revolving around, know that your water pump is not functioning. So to know a functioning water pump, the water in the radiator needs to revolve around. So that is another good test to know if the water pump is functioning fine and okay. So you can see that on the Lexus we have different kind of engine. We have the 3MZ, also we have the 3MZ, we have the 2GR also. So this is 3MZ, yeah, V6. And also for the 2GR, it's usually on timing chain for the 2GR, but for this 3MZ, it's more simpler. So we use the belt on this. So guys, hope you learned, hope you found this video helpful. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.